about time you logged into my channel. I know it's been a little late, but better late than never. I've got a lot on my plate, but I think it's high time that I bring this up to you and clear this out for the last and the final time. Now, since I'm in the out and open, let's talk about this. Here's the thing, I fucked up. I've been off the grid for the last 1.5 months. I feel very guilty when I say hello, what's up Kaskai, this is Kevin Wolf from Mumbai. Welcome back to the channel, because I haven't been here for a while and kept you hanging on. So let me get to the crux. The thing is that almost a month back I did a video which was basically a celebration video, because I completed 100 videos on my journey of my YouTube channel. Complete intention of doing it was because I was proud of myself. No matter commercially I am not there, I am there at least intentionally in order to make the best of a better creator. That's the word I was looking for. The whole thing is, I was glad and happy when I did the video, but post 2 to 3 days of the video I literally got into some vicious talking to myself. That turned out to be really bad for me, and a few more incidents that happened around me kind of pushed me to the edge. Okay, as you know, COVID is happening, a lot of jobs are at stake, and even my job is at stake as I speak right now. Our little boy Dexter, after 4 years and passed away. The fear factor was too much, and you know, in such a factor I feel it breaks the spirit, and that's what happened with me, and I turned vicious. I can only imagine how much I love doing this, and this self-talking and this vicious talking kind of got me almost to quit YouTube, because I wasn't able to basically see myself in the camera right now as I do. I basically started looking at myself through an audience's view, a lone person's perspective. I don't know, or I don't mean to blame anyone specifically about this, but it's the feel that you have about you when you go around people who think you're just wasting your time, the people who think that you're just up to something no good, and you know, it's hard to find someone who really understands and supports you and is there in that journey with you. Then when you actually kind of look into your journey for the last 2 years and you see 100 videos and you see 300 subscribers, it kind of feels like, is this what really I can do at my best? And it eats you out, and it eats you out so bad that yes, I almost gave up my channel, forgetting all the hardships that I have taken, all the challenges that I had done in order to get where I am right now today. Like, I literally started with editing on a phone, and today I have nothing less than a 3 lakh setup. I was almost about to let a petty reason like this put me down simply because I lost the grip of what I really am or what I really see for myself because of these situations around me which are not up in my control. But what is in my control is my thoughts, is my will, is my, you know, it's my visualization. If no one else sees it, I don't give a I see it. A few of you who also follow me on Instagram might have seen this outbreak on a post, which was basically vicious talking to my own, and it brought me to like the ground. Moving on. All said and done, I am in a better place than where I was, and definitely I'm in no mood to give up the baby that I gave birth to. If you're out there listening to this and understanding this from my perspective, I thank you for listening. I could not be where I am without you guys, or wouldn't take the guts to probably do what I'm doing if there wasn't an audience for it, you know. And no matter what it is, if it's 300 or 3000 or 5000 or 1, I'm still gonna do it, because that makes me happy. Moving along, that is not the only reason that I am doing what I am doing, and I think today is the time and would be the right time for you to know if you're here for the first time or if you're here for the 100th time, that why is that I'm doing what I am doing. There's a complete mindset, there's a complete story Caution, this might come in a little harsh on your face. The reality of majority of people around the world today is just following. Most of us, our parents, our ancestors were guided to do just one thing all their lives. Get up, go to school, get good grades, get into a good college, so you can go ahead and get a good paying job. Work hard so you can get a better promotion, better pay, better vehicle, better house, get married, have kids, some average vacations, pay your loans until your endless possibilities of your life disappear and retire at the age of 60s. I don't mean to be a pessimist here, though there's nothing wrong with this plan. Apart from it sounds like the person who created this idea did not just want people to lead, but just to follow and not be bothered about their actual potential. And that's what bothers me the most. Just think of it, 25 years of education for a piece of paper that proves that you're eligible and efficient enough to do one job to the best for your lifetime. I'm not against education. Education is important, but practically we need something that would help us deal with life and not something that would help us not grow and keep us content in a small box of generic society around us. When I understood this, I saw a complete waste of human potential. I just couldn't see myself doing that one single thing for my entire life. Still, what could I do? I was 17 and already a follower in the making. A middle class boy from Naigaon, not having a clue of what I really wanted to do until I got out of college. No talent, no godfather, not an idea how about to really progress about life. Eventually, after 9 years of trying, failing, and not even being able to scratch the surface, and that's where I came across YouTube, a platform that could not only boost me to create but also give me an audience to showcase, appreciate, empower and reach anywhere in the world. The best part is, I don't need a piece of paper to showcase what I really can do or what I really deserve. I try, I fail, I still have another chance to do better. That's how life is, and that's how Wolf's Take and Kevin Wolf came out in the making. Why am I telling you this?
Because my journey has just begun, and to go far, everyone needs company. So come be mine. God bless Wolf's Take.